Greeting friends of Dynalite. I am Adam Wirtz, a Dynalite System expert based in the US. Today I want to talk to you about one of my favorite Dynalite commands, preset offset. Yes, I'm nerdy enough to have favorite Dynalite commands. Don't judge me. Preset offset is really great. It can create a magical, intuitive experience for end users that they don't even know is happening. Although mainly a tool for residential and hospitality projects, I think you'll find uses for it in commercial projects as well, especially ones with tunable white lighting. Preset offset is a simple concept with a powerful result. Within each load controller resides a database of the level each output should be at in each preset. All preset offset does is simply shift where the load controller looks for those values. When you send a preset offset command of 8 to an area, all load controller channels for that area will now shift down that table 8 lines. That means if you send preset 1, that channel will go to the level for preset 9. Preset 4 will recall the value for preset 12. The beauty of this is that your sensors, switches, and tasks can still send the same presets and are blissfully unaware anything has changed. You don't have to do any special programming for them. This allows you to have one brightness level during the day and a different one at night. That way, you always get the right level without a bunch of scene buttons. To set this up, simply populate a second set of presets in the area for night mode. You can even make a third set for late night mode if you need to. Executing a preset offset is equally easy. Just make a schedule that sends out the preset offset command to your area at the desired time. For a residential project, this is typically sunset. I like to use a baselink area for all the areas that need an offset so that I can do it with a single command. Then create a second sunrise schedule that sends out a preset offset value of 0 to reset everything back to the standard presets. At no point in this does the scheduler change the actual active preset, so you don't have to worry about lights turning off or a sensor getting out of sync. Now, if you want to make things truly magical, we add on another command called reset preset. These two commands work great together. Reset preset will cause an area to fade back to the current preset, overriding any ramping that may have happened. But for our use, it's a subtle way to fade to our new value without actually changing the active preset and without the user knowing. I find that a 1-minute fade time is slow enough that no one will notice anything's changed, but they get to bask in the glory of bioadaptive lighting. There you have it. How to use preset offset to secretly adjust lighting for time of day. Leave a comment below on how you would use this command in a commercial project, or if there are any other topics you'd like us to cover. Thanks.